Hi guys, it's me, Squishy Lover 241, and today I'll be showing you guys a Target haul, sort of. Sorry if you hear noises in the kitchen. It's because my mom, my grandma, and my dad are in there. So first I got this squishy from the movie Christmas Story. I have the movie. It's like the lid wrap. I got it at Target, and I was so happy. It's like, wow, like they're starting to sell more. Let me take it out. They sell squishies. Yeah, because like his dad won it at the lottery, and it stands up. Then I have this soap that I think is the cutest. Like when he had to put soap in his mouth because he said, oh, like an old fudge. He said it been weird. Squishy. And then I said, oh, fudge. Sorry, when I record, my laptop's backwards. Like the camera. That's that. It's really cute. I really like it. And then I also got these bracelets. I got these two purple ones. They're really pretty. And I got this blue one. And it was like really cute. So yeah, these are my squishies and all that. That's like basically my video, all I got today. And my mom got things for her, but like yeah. So yeah, and these are one. And these are the squishies. And yeah, they look really cute. So yeah, I'm sorry this video was so short, and thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Bye.